In this video, we shall discuss the PT2 science question paper of Little Flower School, Guwahati, and this is for class 8. So in this video, we shall discuss particularly the chemistry portion. So the first question over here is, tick the correct option. Number 1, various compounds present in coal tar are separated by the process of. So here the right answer is fractional distillation. Now what do we understand by fractional distillation? So fractional distillation is the process of separation of components of a mixture based on the difference in boiling point. Coal tar is a mixture of 200 substances. Okay, so all these substances are separated by the process of fractional distillation. So in case of coal, another term used is destructive distillation. Destructive distillation of coal. So what do we understand by destructive distillation of coal? It is the process of heating coal in absence of air. Okay, so what are the components that we get after destructive distillation of coal, or what are the byproducts we get? They are coke, coal tar and coal gas are the byproducts obtained during the destructive distillation of coal. Okay, so if the question is for separation of components of coal tar, then the answer will be fractional distillation, and if it is for the separation of components of coal, then the answer will be destructive distillation. Okay, then moving on to the next question, which of the following is not a combustible substance? Here options are alcohol, hydrogen, except these three are combustible, and so we are left with asbestos. So asbestos is the right answer. The next question, number 2, fill in the blanks. Slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. Number B, the process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. Then number C, the substance which vaporizes during burning gives flames. Okay. Then question number 3, write the full form of PCRA. Okay, here the full form of PCRA is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Number 4, where and when was the world's first oil well drilled? So the answer is in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. So here you can see all these questions has been taken directly from the textbook. So if you go through the textbook thoroughly, then I'm sure all these answers will come correct. Then moving on to the next question, number 5. Define calorific value of fuel. 60 kg of fuel is burned for an experiment. The amount of heat energy was found to be 1,80,000 kilojoule. So calculate the calorific value of fuel. So here there are two questions. One is to define it, and the other is for the for solving the problem. So what define the calorific value of fuel? The answer is the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel is called its calorific value. So when the question is define this calorific value, you should never finish the answer without writing the unit. Okay, so the calorific value of a fuel is expressed in unit called kilojoule per kg. Okay, kJ per kg. Then about the sum. So calorific value of fuel is heat produced by the amount of fuel. So here the heat produced was 1,80,000 kilojoule per kg, and the amount of 1,80,000 kilojoule, and the amount of fuel is 60 kg. So here the right answer will be, we'll get 3,000 kilojoule per kg will be the calorific value of fuel. Okay, then after this question number 5, we have question number 6. Why does a goldsmith blow air into the kerosene lamp flame with a blowpipe? Now we know that in a flame, the hottest zone is the blue zone, that is the outermost zone, non-luminous zone, and the moderately hot zone is the luminous zone, and the dark zone is the least hot. So the question is, why does the goldsmith blow air into the uppermost layer of the kerosene lamp? Because it is the hottest zone, and he blows air in the flame so that the temperature of the flame increases and complete combustion takes place. Okay, it is in this zone that complete combustion takes place. So you have to write this particular words of complete combustion, and that it is the hottest zone. Okay, then after question number 6, we have question number 7. Give reasons for the following. Question number A, LPG is better domestic fuel than wood. Okay, so why is it so? Because LPG has more calorific value than wood. So when a fuel has more calorific value, then it's more efficient. The next is LPG does not leave any gas or does not leave any residue, unlike wood. Okay, so after burning wood, we get a lot of residues including smoke, but in case of LPG there is no such case. Okay, then next question here is fire caused by electricity should not be extinguished by pouring water. So we all know that water is a good conductor of electricity. So since water is a good conductor of electricity, it may result in electric shocks to the person trying to extinguish fire by pouring water. Okay, so this is the right answer. Now the last question, 7C. Why isn't hydrogen used as a domestic or industrial fuel, although it has very high calorific value? State any two reasons. So here we can write two reasons as hydrogen is highly inflammable. Okay, highly inflammable means substances which catch fire easily. Okay, so one is it's highly inflammable and can be dangerous for domestic use, and the second reason is hydrogen is difficult to store, to transport and handle. Okay. So this completes the chemistry portion of this PT2 exam science question paper of Little Flower School. In the next video, we shall discuss the physics portion. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.